Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report, the non-members edition for the 4th to the 8th of December 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering weekly market outlook, the key events to watch this week, trade watch list with our trade idea of the week, and a review of our recent top trades using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, energy, agriculture and the cryptocurrency markets are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate a substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For further information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do visit www.thegoldensilverclub.com. Weekly market outlook, the key events to watch this week. The US Labour Department will release its November non-farm payroll report this Friday. The consensus forecast is that the data will show jobs growth of 198,000 after adding 261,000 positions in October, whilst the unemployment rate is forecast to hold steady at 4.1%. Most of the focus will likely be on the average hourly earning figures, which are expected to rise 0.3% following a flat reading a month earlier. On an annualized basis, wages are forecast to gain 2.7%, improving from 2.4% in October, which was the weakest rise in a year and a half. A pickup in wages could be an early sign for higher inflation, supporting the case for higher interest rates in the months ahead. China is to release November trading figures on Friday. The report is expected to show that the country's trade surplus ballooned 39.5 billion last month from a surplus of around 38.2 billion in October. Exports are forecast to have climbed 7.2% from a year earlier, following a gain of 6.9% a month ago, whilst imports are expected to rise 12% after increasing 17.2% in October. A Chinese slowdown is one of the major risks to continued global growth, so a major change in that data could cause some concerns. A survey on UK services sector due for release on Tuesday is forecast to dip to 55 from the previous month's reading of 55.6. The Bank of England raised interest rates for the first time in more than 10 years, but said it sees only gradual rises ahead as Britain prepares to leave the EU. Trade watch list, our trade idea of the week. This week our trade idea is going to be focused on Bitcoin and also Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin, of course, which is now up over 900% in 2017. Just yesterday broke above the all-time highs again, and we look to be on track now for a test of $12,000. We had some very positive news for Bitcoin on Friday, which is the approval of the new Bitcoin futures contract via the CME Group in the month of December. The CME Group, the world's biggest exchange owner, have been allowed to offer the product after pledging to US regulators that they comply with the law. The CME Group's Bitcoin futures contract will be making its debut over the month of December, and certainly that news has been a positive driver here for Bitcoin. So if we have a look at the price structure of Bitcoin at the moment, we're currently trading at $11,394. We've already seen a breakout above last week's highs here, and essentially right now the momentum of Bitcoin is still very strong to the upside here. We are looking for the price to again break above the all-time highs here, and essentially the next major overhead level of resistance here that we're targeting in the short term is 12,000, of course, very key psychological level of resistance, and then above that 12,300, and then of course if we continue to break out and surge above 12,300, we would be looking for a breakout up to 13,500 here for Bitcoin over the course of December. Bitcoin right now has a very strong upward trending channel. Every single pullback over the last month has has been bought back into so far. Even last week, where we saw a breakdown very quickly of Bitcoin, over $2,000 move to the downside, was still quickly bid back up again. We found support at approximately just under $9,000. The price bounced off that zone, and we've seen buyers come back in. And of course, Friday's news regarding the CME Group futures contract, which has now received approval, has been another positive driver here for Bitcoin. However, I would also be having a look now at Bitcoin Cash. The price structure of Bitcoin Cash at the moment is looking really good here for a potential breakout. We've been consolidating here on Bitcoin Cash over the month of November, since we saw a breakout earlier on in November, where in fact the price managed to break out from $500 and essentially go up by a value of 5 times, breaking out to $2,500 after the cancellation of the SegWit 2x hard fork. And with that, we saw a big shift into Bitcoin Cash. It then had a severe correction, breaking back down below $1,000, but now it's been consolidating over the last 3 or 4 weeks here, and we're starting to build a good base. We've broken out of a pennant formation here for Bitcoin Cash. Currently, Bitcoin Cash is trading at $1,500, and from a trade idea point of view, very simply, we are looking for an additional follow through to the upside here. I'm looking for a breakout, taking the price certainly above 1,700, taking it above the recent swing highs from mid-November here. Then essentially we're looking for the price to come back up to the 2,000 level here. So I would be looking for the price to come certainly for a retest of 2,000 here. So certainly Bitcoin Cash, from a trade idea point of view, I do like it for a buy at the moment, and I'm looking for more upside on this market. Top trades of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Our top trades over the last week have included Bitcoin, Dash, gold, and also oil. Last week, Bitcoin gave us a great opportunity to re-enter after the pullback here, when on Friday we received the news that the CME Group had approved the Bitcoin futures contract. That gave us a breakout opportunity for 650 points profits. Dash has also been a great mover here over the last month. Dash has essentially more than doubled in price over the course of November. It continues to be in a very strong upward trend, and we took a breakout trade here from the all-time highs for 170 points profit. Last week, gold also gave us a great opportunity to enter into a sell short after a breakdown of the weekly lows here, banking 120 points profit. And finally, oil last week, in the build up to Thursday's OPEC meeting, we saw some pressure on oil, certainly some profit taking in the earlier part of the week, which we capitalized on via a sell short, banking 130 points profit. Would you like to join an elite community of profitable traders, get exclusive daily live trade ideas and analysis, accelerate your trading skills, and generate a consistent income? Whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, the Private Members Live Trading Room is definitely for you. Private members get access to the following. You have access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the markets right in front of you, picking out the best trades, sharing our exact entry, exit, profit and stop loss targets on each position, as well as walk you through every actionable trading idea step by step, ready to implement for instant results. You receive real-time trade alerts delivered via email and SMS, where you get the exact buy and sell alerts along with suggested entry, exit, profit targets. All trade alerts are sent out in advance notice to make sure you have plenty of time to get into each trade at the best price for maximum profits. You also get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to help you make smarter, well-informed trading decisions. Our unique insights and analysis ensures that you're well equipped with the most accurate technical and fundamental information you need to identify market trends early, predict future price movements, and act on every trading decision with confidence. The Private Members Live Trading Room includes exclusive live trading room webinars with interactive Q&A, daily live actionable trade ideas shared with you ready to implement, real-time trade alerts delivered instantly via email and SMS, exact details of where we enter, where we exit and place a stop loss on each trade, access to our Private Members Live Trading Room forum, ongoing support and mentoring to help you achieve long-term success, and exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market intelligence to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our Private Members Live Trading Room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com, complete the application form, and we will get in touch with you ASAP.